Kum shibanta ban Rakhe ke jingdap shispa Snem jong ke Jingpoi ke seng Salesian ha North East India ke Assam Don Bosco University da ke jingitrelang bat ke Genesis Max Foundation kan pelong ye ke lumpung ye le akai ke beningkong ha ki arpau tli ki nong ba jong ki jela ka than chete lam mi ngi kari ke bantip kum ka North East Pride Cup. Haba penbenai kini CEO ke Genesis Max Foundation Abhijit Oberoi ulai thu baha Meghalaya kila jir haru santli ki jakaban pelong ya kita ki jingyakun kata hakerta ka ba khat saw khat riu bat khat khandai Snem. Kita ki jaka ki kentup ka Shillong ka banlong ha ka arpu saw bat arpu santrik mentau benai ha Assam Rifles Football Ground Lightkor kat ba ki wei bat ki jaka ki kentup ka Mairang Nongstoin Tura bat ru ha Jawai. Lapan benaru baka jing penyele akai kan long hakadur jang ka 5 aside ka bomot ele akai tang mar san ngut Shillong bat lai ngut pat ki ban syong pen up ne substitute. Kinong job naman ni kinong ba kin sa sha jit pat pan net yakni yakanam la du ha ka lumpung ka ba kham he ka ban long hanong ba goti bani kni ka khusnam ka ba lai lak tingka.
My name is Abhijit Oberoi. I'm the CEO of Genesis Max Foundation. That's my colleague Sabil De. He's the head of business operations. So we are organizing a 5-a-side football tournament which is called the Northeast Pride Cup, which is being hosted by Assam Don Bosco University in association with Genesis Max Foundation. It's a 5-a-side tournament for categories under 14, 16 and 19, and it will be conducted over 20 plus cities across Northeast India. The main reason of conducting this tournament is as we as Assam Don Bosco University and Genesis Max Foundation want to develop the sporting ecosystem in Northeast India. So we are doing a football tournament now. Later we'll be coming up with basketball tournaments, badminton tournaments and multiple tournaments. The reason why we are doing a tournament and not any other event is football players, young football players, like I mentioned, we are doing under 14, 16 and 19. In India don't get ample competitive matches to play in a season. If you talk about European countries, a kid there gets close to 50 to 60 matches in a season, right? Or probably 40 to 60 matches in a season to play with. So they have that kind of match experience. That's what we are trying to give. So it's a knockout tournament so we are starting with the state of Meghalaya from 24th of September from Shillong itself. The match will be conducted at Lightkor, Assam Rifles Lightkor, and there is a small registration fee of 200 rupees per player. So any team, individual or school can participate in it. It's open for all. And after Shillong, we'll be going to Mairang, we'll be going to Nongstoin, Tura and Jawai. So these are the 5 zones we'll be covering in Meghalaya. Now, as I mentioned, we are going to 20 plus cities across Northeast India. So the under 14, 16, 19 winners of all these cities will come in the last week of November at Assam Don Bosco University, stay there, and there will be matches between all the winners of each zone. And the winners from there will get a chance to win prizes worth 3 lakh rupees. That's 1 lakh per category. So yeah, that's the gist and motive of the tournament. I'll open up to if there is any question from the media.
From what said, how many team will be?
So like I said, there are 20 plus zones. We have, let's say, tried to finalize to the best of our abilities 20 plus footballing hubs across Northeast India, which include multiple cities or at least one city in each 7 states of Northeast India. If you look through your small pamphlet, you can see all the maps also. So yeah, and for further details, you can also go on our website. It's called www.northeastpridecup.com. All the details, everything is mentioned there. So one team for under 14, 16, 19 will go to the finale round in Guwahati from each zone.
Can you tell us what is the purpose? Is it because of the 100 years of
Yeah, that's one of our main motives. So to celebrate the 100th year of Don Bosco in Northeast India, we are conducting this tournament here. But we are going to do this again next year also. So we want to keep this up with like multiple tournaments, multiple sports tournaments across the year. And year on year, we'll be delivering these tournaments.
And why football?
We are starting with football because, as everyone knows, so like football is one of the main sports in Northeast India. Every child, every person either watches football or plays football or has played football, and there is so much love for the game. So that's why we are starting with football. Next we'll be doing badminton, basketball, all sports we'll be covering to the best of our abilities. It's under 14, 16, 19. Under 14, 16, 19, so school level.
It's always school level.
Yeah. The details regarding age category, registration details, registration fees, tournament format, rules, liquidation, everything is available on northeastpridecup.com.
men and women both?
It's for boys first.
Boys.
Yeah. But if we have ample girls team in a tournament, we'll be more than happy to conduct for that category as well. Depends on the responses we get. Yeah, so it's a 5-a-side tournament. There can be maximum 8 players in a team, so 5 plus 3 substitutes. So minimum 5 players in a team, maximum 8. And since even it's a knockout and they're paying money, so we are giving at least 2 matches to each team.
So for the players, like, are there scout people for the players as well or not?
So we are just trying to give match competitions to the players, match experience to the players. So there is no scouting as such, because if in the finale in Guwahati, if there are some good I-League, ISL clubs who are willing to to come and see the best players, so taking in question the team's coaches and the academy school's feedback, we can invite scouts for that. That's open. For example, our equipment partner Vicky has come on board, Vicky Sports Equipment. So they are also providing equipment for this tournament. Similarly, if there are more partners on board who want to come on board, with a mutual understanding, we can of course do that.